Hello guys, welcome to Agriculture Center. Today I'm going to answer some questions that have been related to my channel, and these questions are more important because I decided to go live, but I have to schedule this video for premiere due to some space of time. So this is a basic questions I'm going to answer for those who want to know more insight about buying a car. Other questions concerning multimeter will be scheduled to the next premiere, which is Sunday, so that everyone can also know, better and get more insight about what we are going to discuss about car. So one of my audience, I think there are 3 or 4, asking these cars and questioning me about doing a video concerning about Toyota cars, but not Korean cars, which is Kia and Hyundai. That is not, it's not true. I do a lot of videos concerning Korea cars, Kia and Hyundai, not only about Toyota, Nissan as well. But one important thing is that you have to figure out the demand of the public. That is where we also get time to create some of these videos for them to get a better understand. So it is unlike creating only videos for Toyota cars, but creating more videos on other cars as well for buyers who are willing to buy it and pursue their business. So one mentioned about Kia Picanto, that is Kia Morning as well. But my advice is to never buy a 3-cylinder car for commercial, which will not help you at all. Kia Picanto is a good car. Korean cars are one of the best low fuel efficient cars in the world as well, and it is still running in the system, which they have high competitive when it comes to the auto industry. So I and you are aware how Korean cars are dominating and making a high competition in the system for buyers. So it is a very good car. Kia Picanto, Kia Morning is a very good car, but the 3-cylinder plug is not recommended for those who are willing to use it for, commercial. That is the main thing. That's the main thing. Hyundai i10 is a good car, but note that the cost of repair is a bit high. That is what I always say, that if you want to buy it and if you want to purchase it, you first do these calculations about the cost of repair, the spare parts availability, and all those things together before you figure out to make any payment. Because buying a car with high cost of repair will or decrease your earnings. This is the most important thing, especially for commercial use. So there is no need for you to do that and harm yourself as well. But Kia Picanto, Kia Morning is a good car. The subscriber, I have answered your question, and all these cars are good enough. Buying a Korean car for commercial is a great idea, which is especially their fuel system. The fuel economy for these Korean cars are very good enough. Spare parts are available, but you know the demand in the public is too high, so there is a bit increase of these spare parts, especially for i10, Kia Morning, and so on and so forth. So this is my advice to you. You can push ahead and buy it, but make sure you are buying a good one which can give you some better earning, and this is what I'm telling you. For Toyota cars, I will still hit on that side. For you to buy a converted car is more risk. There are more risks involved with it. That is why I always advise, if you want to buy a converted car, make sure you buy it from the right dealer, the right expert. And sometimes people make this kind of mistakes to buy it from anywhere, and it end up get a lot of programs, a lot of distractions, a lot of depression and all these things. So don't fall into victim. Make sure you do a lot of inquiries, sit down and plan ahead before you step into buy any of these cars. That is my advice for you. If you wish, you can buy it from Dubai converted company. That is fine, which it cannot give you any problem. If you want to buy it from a Ghanaian market, make sure you buy it from an expert who converted it, so that you may not able to have electrical problem, suspension problem, because these cars have a lot of cut and join, and you may not able to see it because it is invisible to see it. And when you buy it and you are not lucky enough, this thing will give you problem as well, especially that 3-cylinder engines not recommended for commercial. Going forward, these cars are very good enough as well. Kia Picanto, Kia Morning, but I am not going to recommend Kia Picanto. I am not going to recommend Kia Picanto 3-cylinder engine for you to use it as commercial. You can able to buy 4-cylinder type to pursue this business as well. So they are very good car. They are good enough for business, and it is very good to purchase it as well. Subscribe to Eric Auto Center. If you haven't done so, please make sure to subscribe as well. And if anything you don't understand in this video, make sure you put your comment below in the comment section, so that we will also get time to assist you. If you want to buy a car and you want us to assist you, don't hesitate to contact us or send us an email. Our WhatsApp number will put in the video description, so that you can able to connect us. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please do so to subscribe, share the video, like as well. If you didn't share the video, you have not done well at all. Share this video to reach many people, so that everyone involved in this situation or this kind of issues will also accept. They will also get benefit from it. This is Eric Auto Center. We will always try and do our best to help you, as you always try to also help this channel to grow. This is our wish, and I'll end you here.